My name is Moukarzel. I'm a photographer, concept builder. So I'm very attached to the country. And wherever I go, like I travel the world twice a year, and I always come back here, so it's my roots here. Hale is a very authentic place in Monod Street. He does the authentic eggs, cheese, and I love the food. I always ask for yogurt or labneh with all the vegetables, and I always ask for eggs with the meat. I love Lab 193. We know this place because we used to buy for our house things from her. We became very good friends. And anytime I see Tracy, we exchange a lot of things together. She has a lot of things where she repaired them herself with her own hands. Mostly I go out in Madero. I always sit on a bar and I always face the barman. And Yusuf, I became friend with him from the first time I sit with him. Experimenting cocktails, it's something I like when I go out, instead of having a gin tonic all the time. Yusuf is a very chill guy and an extremely good barman. What attached me here, it's maybe the chaos, the city, the vibes. I think Madero is a perfect example of Beirut. Still very much in the 60s and in the 50s. If you walk in Madero, you're timeless. And this is what I love. This is Moukarzel, and it is my city.